Hey, this is Rich Cooper, and I just wanted to welcome you to check out my video. And you're actually landing on this video because you're actually checking out more information about the Easy Cash Code IM Phenom system. So in the whole purpose of this video is I'm actually going to show you the system, and I'm actually going to show you how to create your first capture page with the system and all the functionality of it. So what you see here is the IM Phenom, which is actually to get access to it, you would need to have a subscription to the Easy Cash Code system, which I'll actually explain how to get it at the end of the video. And once you get into here, you would actually subscribe to the system at that point. Okay. But the IM Phenom, what it is IM Phenom is it's a marketing suite. It allows you to be able to build capture pages. It has a built-in autoresponder. It has video hosting, link tracking. I mean, you pretty much name it. It's like if you had or looking for a program that allows you to be able to build capture pages, but you might have a limited budget, and so you don't have the budget to pay, let's say, for example, $49 a month, or yeah, anywhere from 29, 49, 97, or $197 a month, and you want a system that allows you to have that same kind of power without the monthly fees. Okay, it does everything that you need, and it's all about branding yourself. Because when you're actually out there and you're starting a business or you're involved in business, and for those of you who are in business know what I'm talking about, you want to brand yourself because people will buy from people that they know, like, and trust. And in order for them to buy from you, you're going to need to brand yourself because it's easy to share a capture page or a system that someone actually just creates. It's like basically like a cookie cutter capture page that is branded to a company. But in order for people to get to know you, you need to brand yourself, and people need to understand and know who you are and where you're coming from. And as they get to know you from your branding, then they'll actually partner with you in whatever business opportunity or program that you're involved with. Okay? So let's jump right into the IM Phenom system. So basically, once you do end up getting the IM Phenom system, then what you get is basically built around a WordPress blog, which is actually hosted. You don't have to go out and get a separate hosting account through any of the other major hosting companies or pay the yearly fees and monthly subscriptions or whatever it is. There are none with this. You purchase the system, everything is hosted for you on some of the top of the line servers, secured. Uh, Pretty much you got everything you need right there. So what you'll see when you actually come into the IM Phenom system is you have a blogging platform. It's a blogging platform, okay? And it has a welcome video that walks you through the system. It has all the training videos here, all the app tutorials. It tells you everything. It has blogging tutorials, how to write a blog, how you access your autoresponder. It's got that built into it. You have plugins and different things like that. You also have a whole series of design tools here for capture pages like Thrive Dashboard, capture page build-in, Divi. You actually have a lot of other things in here. You have the themes. You can change the appearances and stuff like that. Now remember, all this stuff is covered within all the training videos that are here. But right now, I'm just going to focus on creating a very straightforward, simple capture page with a video on it. Okay, so let's jump right into the page builder. Now, when you get into the page builder, what you're going to notice right off the bat is all of your tracking. I've actually had a jump in my tracking on my marketing campaigns. So far, I've had 131 people so far. More people are actually going to my website. Today, I checked it earlier, and it was just 100 and a little over 100. Now they're jumping up. But these are all the visits that I'm getting to the website. These are the unique visitors. These are the 22 pages that I've created. And I'm going to scroll down here and show you basically this is all the pages that it shows you if they've been published, if they're draft, and I'll give you an example of what they look like. So let's say, for example, you wanted a capture page where you just wanted people to fill out their name and email address. You can actually, these templates are actually included in there, and you can actually change the headline around, and they teach you in the training on how to have captivating headlines to get people to opt in and check out your offer. Okay? And then once they opt in, they may land on a page that looks something like this. I created these two pages, by the way, in less than an hour on IM Phenom. The background and everything, notice you can scroll and the background stays there. It's got a video. These are hosted videos. These come from YouTube. They're actually embedded into the pages, which I'm going to show you how to do in a minute. And these are all the videos. These are buttons that you can actually incorporate it in there to contact me, get started, and then find me on Facebook and so forth. That's pretty much it. there. Okay? So let's jump back into the I Am Phenom back office and let's jump right into creating your first capture page. You're going to be amazed at how easy it is. First and foremost, when you actually go to create your page, you're going to click New, and then it's going to choose a template. So you can break the templates down by category. You can pick them by text squeeze pages. You can filter them by video squeeze pages, which I'm actually going to create a video squeeze page right in this video. And you can actually have two-step opt-in, three-step opt-in. You can add timers to your Facebook, I mean not your Facebook page, but your pages. You can create a video sales pages, which is the one I actually showed you that I had 3 videos on it, and you can customize the backgrounds. But right now, let's just focus out, and then you can even add a webinar. You can have a webinar sign up, which you can integrate with GoToWebinar. There's a feature in it that allows you to integrate GoToWebinar in it. All the videos are hosted. You can actually you can be hosted by Google. They're actually by YouTube and also by VMO. Okay. All right. So let's jump up here to the video squeeze page. I wonder why they call it a squeeze page, not the squeeze page. Is it a video squeeze page? Yeah, it's the one I want. All right. So what's the one I picked last time? That's actually pretty simple. I think that blue color is nice. Yeah. Let me go with this one. Let's go with this one. It's relatively simple. You can preview it, see what it looks like, if that's the one you like, if you like the background and so forth. And actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, I'm not feeling that background. Let's go ahead and get rid of this one. Let's go with this one. Preview. So you have a nice, there we go, nice blue background. So you can go there. Let's pick, that one's kind of busy. I'm sorry, I'm kind of picky when I create capture pages. I always really like to think about what I'm doing because I think about the end user. So let's pick this one. And there we go. So what you'll see first and foremost is you're going to see the capture page editor is going to pop up there. And you have all these different features over here that you can add a text box, you can add a picture. These are the most common ones that I work with and use. You can add a text element. You can add a photo element, which actually you would upload from your computer, and I'll show you in a minute. You can actually add a video element, which is a video window like you see here. You can add a countdown. Remember I mentioned about the countdown? And then you can add an opt-in form, which is already there, so we won't need to add it in this video. I won't go into that. You can add a social share, like Facebook, Twitter. You can add that on there. You can click and drag them, basically. It's like having ClickFunnels, for example. Really good system, awesome system. For people that have the budget, go for it. If you don't have the budget and you can't pay the $97 or $197, this will be a viable, good starter option for you. And of course, you can always scale up at that point whenever your budget permits and your business grows. All right, so let's go ahead and focus on, you can change stuff in here, just double clicking on the text and look what happens. So then what you can do is you can go in here and you can just put the mouse in there and say how to build a list of hungry subscribers. Let me see, I'm going to play around with this a little bit. Hungry subscribers. I'm just going to say now. Get rid of that. There. I just changed that. And you can change the font colors and things and the size. And then, this one here, I'll just leave alone. So let's focus on, the first thing we're going to do is let's talk about adding a picture. So let's say you want to add a picture here. You actually will click on the picture, and then you'll click on the little tool icon, and look what it does. It's going to open up and give you the option of picking a picture. So I'll say I'm going to upload one. I already have some pictures uploaded, but you would typically go and upload from your folder or your computer and put them there. But I have a bunch in my media library because you can see I've been doing quite a bit of work. I'll just pick this picture. Use that image, and there it is. Let me put it here so you can see it too. If I can slide this over. There we go. It's much better. All right, so go ahead and add another one. How about I add something different? Oh, it's one of me working out. Actually, let me see here. Here's a good one, a guy with a little doggy. Notice how it resizes them automatically, puts them in there. Of course you want to make sure the size is right. I'm just doing it for demonstration or illustration purpose. But you get the idea, okay? All right, so now, once you're done with that, then the next thing you're going to do is you can change all of the text on this form. You can change the text here. You can change the text here. You can change everything here by just double clicking on it. See how it does when you double click on it? You can add, change whatever verbiage you want. Then let's say, for example, you want to build your list, so you're going to need to have an autoresponder set up. So one of the things you're going to want to do is you click on that form, okay? And when you want to add, the form's already there, but you can always change it. It has the name and email address. You click on the little tool icon, and now it's going to open up the opt-in settings. This is where, if you're advanced and know how to do this type of stuff, but there are videos in the I Am Phenom that teach you exactly how to integrate your Aweber or your GetResponse autoresponder. I strongly recommend that you have one of those two, because this capture page system is very powerful. It has a high conversion rate if you do it right, okay? So typically what you would do is you would go out there to your GetResponse or your Aweber, and you would follow the instructions to get the form code that will allow you to have the first name and the email address. If you're on my team, I have tutorial training videos that I'll walk you through step by step how to do this. It's super easy. Trust me, it's not even confusing at all. Once you do it once, you can do it over and over again. It's just like riding a bike. You have the opt-in form fields. These are all the different fields that you have in there that you can customize, and you can add new fields. You have the webinar integration, which is through, as I mentioned, through GoToWebinar. You would need to follow the instructions to integrate it. Then you have what's called a Facebook opt-in, and this allows you to integrate Facebook in there. I have not used this feature yet, but it looks pretty slick. The Facebook opt-in, I think I know what they're doing. It's probably using apps in Facebook, but we won't get into that because that's more of an advanced topic. So with all that being done, now the next thing, let's say I want to add a video to it. Well, I've got a YouTube video here that I've already done, and this is a video that I did of me in my apartment. So what you do is you go out there and you just copy the video URL link, and then you go into here, you just click on every element that you want to edit, you click it on it once, okay? Then you go down there and you'll see like the icon for the toolbox, and when you do that, see it switches. So there's a default link in there right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in there, and this is my YouTube, and I'm going to make it an autoplay. You can make it autoplay. You can actually you can do all kinds of cool things. Let me share this with you too. You can disable the controls. You can change the margins or make the margins bigger and all that cool stuff. And check this out. Are you ready for this? You can actually not only embed YouTube, but you can do, if you have a hosted, you can use a hosted one code. You can use VMO, and also you can use the embed code. Now on YouTube, there's an embed code. When you actually go to share, you click on the embed, and when you click on it, there's like everything inside of an H frame. I think it's called, or iframe. It's an iframe, and everything inside that iframe is what you would actually put in there for the embed code, which is cool too. Because the beautiful thing about that is you can manually change the dimensions of the picture. But I won't get into that. That's confusing, and you have to be more advanced. All right, so now that you got everything in there, your video, everything the way you want it to look, then there's something called a permalink here. Strongly recommend you change it because it's going to give you a default name. So all you do is just click Edit Permalink, and I'm just going to say my new APT for my apartment. Okay, and then I'm going to say OK, and it's going to be green light. Please don't forget to save. And it says OK. It reminds you to save, and then you click Close. See, it says it now, the new name. This is my domain, which I have it actually branded to this whole system. And then you click Save, and then you click Publish. Now, let's take a look at what this video looks like on Google. I'm going to copy that puppy. I'm going to go over here to Google and paste the link in there. And let's see what comes up. Boom, baby.
Well, hey, Facebook,
and you can change the logo here and everything too. Isn't that too cool? This is a video that I uploaded to my YouTube channel. And look at the pictures are there and all that cool stuff. Isn't that cool? I didn't even add one there. This one's kind of like misshapen, but you can always fix that and resize them and all that stuff. Once you actually get in there, you can click on them and resize them, which is actually pretty cool. See how easy it was to create a capture page? And once you're done, that's it. You have, and so now you create a capture page. And when you actually create a capture page, when people opt in, you're going to send them somewhere. You're going to either send them to you can send them to your Facebook page if you want to, but you're building your list and it's saying, hey, someone just opted in. And check this out. This is a landing page, which is one of the ones I showed you earlier. You can actually send them to an opportunity like this. And they can, and so it's all branding yourself. And on my capture pages, I've got a lot of them that are branded. All of my pages are branded to me. Like if you scroll to the bottom of it, it has my name and picture and all that good stuff and some verbiage there. Richard. See? But that's all there is. It's really, really simple. This is a very powerful system. This I Am Phenom system is a very powerful system. And if you're probably wondering how much it's going to cost you. Oops. I can tell you right now, it's not going to cost you $29 a month, $97 a month, $197 a month. It's not going to cost you any of that yearly. It's actually only going to cost you a one-time $97 to get this complete hosting platform and everything that's built into it with the autoresponders, the autoresponder that's built into it. As a matter of fact, let me go back here to the dashboard and show you that. It's got the autoresponder that's built into it as part of it. You can access the autoresponder. You build your autoresponder. It comes with it. It's got the page builder. It's got the tutorials, the blogging, everything that you need. All the plugins in there. There's all different type of capture pages. It's $97 one time and a $47 for the reseller subscription one time. Okay? Now, in order for you to be able to have access to this or get this, you would need to subscribe to the Easy Cash Code system. And once you subscribe to it, it's $18 one time. So you do the math, $18 one time. Once you get in there, you're going to go through the steps. It's going to bring you to the I Am Phenom. And what you do is at that point, you go ahead and you say, I want to go ahead and subscribe to it. And when you actually go to subscribe to it, it's going to ask you to get the reseller license one time. And then you're going to pay the $97. After that, there's no more fees. This opens you up to earning commissions of $97 off of the every area you see here. You actually open up. You can open up and earn an extra residual income, and that's for anyone that you recommend the system to. And these are instantly paid to whatever your payment method of choice is. How about that? So thank you for checking out this video on the Easy Cash Code I Am Phenom system. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please connect with me on Facebook and share. And I'm happy to talk with you and answer any questions that you might have. And if you're brand new out there and you really want somebody to hold your hand and walk you through it, heck, I'll set up a 1 hour coaching session with you on Skype. You join my team and I'll walk you through it. We'll do a share screen. I'll show you how to do everything. It's real simple. And I'll pretty much hold your hand. And I got videos out there. My videos will hold your hand on my YouTube channel or for my team. So anyway, you like what you see, definitely reach out to me. I'm looking forward to connecting with you and make it a great day. And thanks again for checking out my video. Have a fabulous day. This is Richard Cooper signing off.